Hello everyone, this is Ashrit from Learn Digital Academy. So in this class, we'll discuss how to create a new file in a Photoshop. So now you can see the welcome window of a Photoshop. So here you can see a lot more recent works which I have done. So recently work process, whatever work files you have created, you can see the preview over here. So if you want to create a new file, so in the left hand side, you can see a option create new. So just click on create new. So a new pop-up window will open. So here you can see a lot more preset templates over here. The recently used file sizes you can see over here. So again, if you want to use or if you want to save your custom preset sizes, you can save over here. So then photo size, so a lot more preset photo sizes you can see, default Photoshop size, landscape size, portrait size and all. If you want to work any photo portraits or photo editing works, you can use these presets. So if you're doing any designs for print purpose, you can use this for print purpose also. So print purpose, there are a lot more sizes, A4 size, A5 size, A6 size. So a lot more things you can see in a preset templates. So then art and illustrations, again, our default sizes you can see, poster size, 720 pixels, 1000 pixels grid and all. So then again, web sizes. So if you're doing any designs for websites or website designs, here you have a lot more options. Web most common device, and again web large, web medium, MacBook Pro. So whichever things you need, you guys can use this. So if you're designing anything for mobile devices, yes. So smartphones, so lot more screen resolution, screen sizes, options you have. So according to your design, you can use any of these things. So then if you are creating any posters for movies in a film quality, you have options like HD TV, HDV, Full HD, Ultra HD, DV, a lot more things, a lot more preset sizes you can see over here. So it depends on your designs, whatever size you required, you can use that thing. So initially I'm going with the print size. So I'm taking a A4. So here you can see the selected page or selected preset is highlighted with the blue outline. You can check in art and illustrator also, whichever things you are selecting, it will be highlighted with the blue outline. So depends on your designs. So you can customize your preset sizes also. So you can select any of this thing also. Select any one page. And in the right side bottom, you have an option create. So just create. If you don't want, close it. So I need this create. Yes, now you can see a white canvas over here. So the white part is your working area in the Photoshop. Hope the session was informative. We'll catch up in the next session.